Good morning, my dear students. Now, in today's class, I am going to discuss variable declaration. How we can declare a variable. Variable declaration means there are certain rules. For example, number should not be at the beginning. We should not use dot operator. We should not use dash in between the words. So these are the rules which we will follow in the variable declaration. Now, while declaring a variable, what is the motive? It will hold the value which we are going to use in the program. And you know this that Python is very weak in data binding. So, value will not be fixed in the Python programming language. What we have to do with this? We have to take care while declaring the variable, it should be inside the scope. Now, what is the scope? We will declare the scope with the help of indentation. Indentations are only the spaces which we are giving while writing the codes. Now, indentation thoroughly we will discuss in our few coming lectures and in few lessons which will come. So, indentation is a very good concept that it will give only spaces, one type space, or you can give simply four spaces, that will be number 4. Means 4 type space bar you will press 1 2 3 4, and it will be the indentation for the Python programming language. Now, while declaring the variable in C and C++, in C and C++, it will always allocate new memories. For example, one memory allocation, if you are writing age is equal to 15 and its memory location is 202530. Now 20, if again if you are updating the value is equal to 20, then again it will update the same location 202530. It will update the same memory location. Means you can see this memory location, both the memory locations will be updated in two different declarations. This is done in C and C++. But if we will talk about Python, then Python is doing the same work differently. It will means let's an example, this is 14 and its memory location is 202531, any memory location it is. Second is 15, 202535. If any third number is 16, 202539. Let's an example, like this it is going on. Now, how Python is doing the same work? Python will always allocate the memories before execution of the program, and as we will execute the program, it will point out the value which we are giving. For example, if age is 14, so it will point this memory location. But if we have changed, if age is 16, so it will change and it will allocate this value. It will not update the value. This is the main thing. In Python, it is not updating the value, it is only changing the location. And in other programming languages like C and C++, it is updating the same memory location whenever we are changing the value. So this is the main thing which we have to consider. But one more thing, students, I would like to tell you, Python is good in this, but Python is not better than other languages. Like C++ is a very good language and it is a very big language also. Like Java, it is a very big language. Why Java and C++ is far more better than Python? Because it has many libraries that can do the work very easily, and in C++ also they are having very much more libraries that can do the work very easily. But in Python, number of libraries or the supporting files are less. Due to this reason, Python can't do much more things as Java and C++ can do. Second thing, Python is very weak in data binding. Means if we have declared upside a is equal to 10, and again if we are writing a is equal to hello world, then the last updated value will be executed downside the program. If again we want integer, then again we have to change the variable. So this is the problem while declaring the variable in Python, because Python is very low, very weak in data binding. Now the input function, by default this input function will consider always strings. For example, if a is equal to input enter the value, if b is equal to input enter the value. Now if c is equal to a plus b, and if print c is there, so what will be the answer? Very clear it is. If a is 10 you have given, and if b is 20 you have given, and if this is, then 1020 will be in C, and as you will print 1020 you will get. Why this is so? Because this input function will always consider the values in string format, and strings can't be added together. So if you have to add these two numbers in numerical form, you have to enclose this in bracket, and you have to write the data type int. This is a, this is b. Now it will take the value, and it in this string format will be converted in integer. Now it will take the value, and this string will be converted in integer. Now when you will add the number, it will give you the answer 30. So this is the main reason why we are not using input only, because it will consider a string function only. Now the next is, if you are swapping a number, so very easy, or declaring a variable. So if you are writing a is equal to 10, this is correct, but if you are writing 20 is equal to a and 10 is equal to b, this is wrong. Why this is? Because variables must be present left hand side, and in this you have written the number left hand side and the variable right hand side. You must remember this point, that this is called assignment operator, and this is called equality operator. What is the meaning of assignment operator? Whatever you will write right hand side, that will be copied left hand side. If I am writing a is equal to 10, so this 10 will be copied left hand side in a, means whatever you have written right hand side, it will be copied left hand side. And if you want to give 10 is equal to 10, you know that 10 is equal to 10, so you have to give this double equal to symbol, so that 10 equal to 10 you are telling to the computer that you are clear about this. And if you want to use any variable that a should be used as 10, so you have to use single equal to in this. This is very simple in very value declaration also. For example, if a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to 10, like in other languages we are writing, so In Python, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 10 we can write, means both are same. You can write it separately or you can write in single line also, so Python will reduce your effort. Then after, if a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, if you want to write it in a single line, so a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. It means a is 10 and b is 20. Like this you can assign three values also. For example, a b c 10 20 30. So a is 10, b is 20, c is 30. So this is very easy in this. And the values, how we are taking, how we are evaluating, this will be more clear with these practicals that I am showing you. Please go through this these practicals and read this lesson. Thank you. Now my dear students, in today's class you can see this with few examples as I am showing you. Now start the Python programming language. Open the script mode. I am slightly reducing the window size. Now you can give the comment in the form of 3 apostrophe commas. Write a program. Whatever you will write in comment, that will not be understood by the machine, it will be left. Write a program to input a value in kilometers and convert it into miles. Now close 3 apostrophe commas. Now how will you take the values in kilometers? This is the main thing. You have to use data type int, one variable km equal to int. Input, I am giving one message here. Enter kilometers. Miles equal to km is a variable into 0.621371. 1 mile is equal to this many kilometer. Now print kilometers, 1 comma is needed here, km. Now print miles is miles. This is the variable miles. Now save the program by pressing Ctrl S. Now give any name which you want. .py extension .py. Now press enter. Now press F5 button to run the program. Now enter the kilometer. So you have to give the value. I am giving 20. Now you can see kilometer is 20 and miles is 12.42. Now again you can give the comment as a whole. So I have cut this 3 commas from there and I have pasted these 3 commas. So only one this script mode I will use for the few more programs. I am giving one single line comment here. Write a program to input in tons and convert it into quintals and kilograms. quintal and kilograms. Now tons is equal to float one message, float input, enter tons. Now quintal turns into 10, kilograms, kgs I am taking, quintals into 100. Now print this message. Tons and print the next one, quintals. Now quintals, then print the next one, kgs. So this is kilogram. We will use the variable kgs. Now control S and press F5. So enter the tons, 2.5 ton. So quintal is 25 and kilogram is 2500. So this is the way by which we can take the integer or float whatever we want, and we can simply use it in operations whatever we want. Now next is our write a program to take three numbers as input and swap their values. So in single line we can swap it, as I have discussed the theory today. In single line we can swap the values. So first value I am taking, a is equal to int, integer type I want, input, enter the first number, b equal to input, enter the second number. Now c is equal to int input, enter the third number. Now print the original numbers is a comma b comma c, sorry, a comma b comma c. Now you can check it at this point also, control S and run this program. So it is asking the first value into the number. I am giving 12, 45, 56. Now you can see this is the number. So up to this point program is correct. Now a b c is equal to, we have already discussed assignment operator, so whatever you will write right hand side, it will be copied to left hand side. So I am writing B here, so it will be copied in A. Now I am writing C, so it will be copied in B. Now I am writing A, it will be copied in C. Very clear it is. Now print A, B, C. So updated value you will get. Now here give the message, the swapped value is A, B, C. Now first number is, again I am entering 12, 45 and 56. So you can see the answer 12, 45, 56 is the upper line, and downside 45, 56 and 12 it is swapped. So in single line you can perform this operation. Now thank you students, and read this lesson. Thank you.